Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to take a look at importing and exporting pipeline stages, right? Pipelines, pipeline stages, all of it here inside of your lifecycle automation. So you can see that I am already in my personal renewal pipeline. Specifically, I'm in the renewal packet stage. I can go to any of these stages here. So none of these have any automation since they're just a dummy account. But if I just, send an email, and I'm just going to select a touch point here. Great, save, sender, service ticket assignee. Awesome. So now I can export this out if I want to share it with another agent, if I have a second account, whatever the situation may be. But you can go to actions and export, right? So now I've got service requote. So it is specifically exporting the requote stage. If you want to get an entire pipeline, you'll have to go through one by one and export them and then import them one by one as well. So the export process is very simple. Import is as well. You just want to make sure that you have service categories, tags, anything, lead sources, whatever, anything that could potentially match up. You want to make sure that that matches up inside of your account from where they were exported from. But the import process is very simple. You just select import, and then you select a JSON file. I'm going to come down here to one that actually has info in it, and I'm going to use that. Now, you'll notice that in the one that I am importing, I have this non-renewal tag, but I don't have that in my account, so it didn't know what to do. So I can map it to something here, or I can add as a new tag, right? So I'm going to add that as a new tag. When I am done importing this, when I go in the tags, this non-renewal tag is with the big X on it is going to be in my system now. So I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm, and boom. So now I have a requote that is all in here ready to go. All I have to do is turn the things on, and it's done and good to go. Easy as that. Hope that helps.